Good morning, traders. Richard here doing a quick Ichimoku cloud chart market update on the Nasdaq Composite. The outlook remains bearish since price action is below the cloud. We can see the sell signal is way above the top end of the cloud here, and there was a secondary sell signal when it sliced through the bottom end cloud chart support zone. That moved the outlook to the long term for the Nasdaq to bearish, and it remains so as long as price action is below the bottom end of the cloud here. We've been swing trading shorter term opportunities off the 4-hour cloud chart. We'll look at that in a minute, but we can see how the front end of the cloud here resistance remained in place. The 14,505 front cloud resistance zone, as well as the turning line of the cloud, standard line of the cloud there, and the front cloud 14,174 support zone did not hold for this recovery trade under the cloud. So there are swing trade opportunities from these cloud chart support rebounds, but we can see how strongly the resistance at the front end of the cloud at 14,505 stayed in place. The Nasdaq failed to break past that. If it broke past that level, we could have had a bullish outlook on the 4-hour, but it remains bearish on the 4-hour. As long as price action trades below the bottom end of the cloud, it remains bearish, and the long-term investor is best off to sit in cash. The shorter-term swing trade trader, there's plenty of opportunities trading these rebounds from key cloud chart support levels. Will be interesting to see if we're going to see 13,499, 13,500 tested today, and these old lows can get retested at any point in time as this bearish outlook remains in place. For the bull market to resume its rally, we need to be back above this 14,505 top end cloud chart resistance zone. So far the outlook remains bearish, with downside risk targets at key cloud chart support levels. You can see how we sliced through 13,865, a critical hourly cloud chart support level, and we have the 13,500 and this bottom end cloud chart level there as the next key support zones to be tested, as well as 13,303, very close to these lows here. And all these support levels come from previous cloud chart levels. So be aware that the outlook has changed to an hourly bearish, 4-hour bearish, remains bearish long term on the daily. And so we really need to see a stronger rebound back above key cloud chart levels. But so far, outlook remains bearish on the 4-hour until further notice, so to speak. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading. Bye for now.